Hi guys, it's AW Cuber, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble a MGC 2x2. So first we can separate them as a core, corners and 12 edge pieces. So 3 edge pieces will have protrusions like this. So we have to separate those three. Here's one of them. Got 2 and 3. So these three you can keep it here, and you gotta take one corner. So wait, where did the third one go? Yeah. Okay. So you gotta take the corner, 3 edge pieces with protrusions, and one corner. So you can randomly take any center and put this edge piece with the protrusion right under it, so it gets locked. You can see it here. See? And it gets locked here too. And then we take the other one and put it right next to it. Here. So we got 2. And then you gotta take the corner and put it right in it. And then you gotta take the third and the last edge piece with protrusion and put it in here. So it's locked. So this edge piece will be permanent and the other 3 FRU will only be moved. So then you can assemble it like a normal 2x2. First one edge, another edge. Here. Then you can take 3 corners and put them in the first layer. Then next you can take 3 more edges and put them and that's it. Then the last layer you can start by 1 edge and 2 corners and put a corner on either side. After putting a corner, just put an edge. After putting this corner, you can put another edge, and then we can put this edge first, or the corner would be better, and put this edge, and then the final piece. So thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video.